Welcome to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite dish. It is an Afghani recipe. It is called baran benjan. I think it is simply eggplants in yogurt sauce. It is tasty and easy to make. My first time tasting this, it was a nice experience. So I kept on preparing this dish for my family, and today I'm sharing with you the recipe. So kindly subscribe to help me grow. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, Ugandan Kitchen, like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. So yeah, we are starting with our eggplants. Like you see, I used 3 to 4 eggplants, then cut them into small pieces. These can be like kind of tubes, or you can just decide to cut them in that round circular kind of shape. Then heat up a pan and add 4 to 6 tablespoons of oil, or depending on the amount of eggplants you are cooking, the oil may differ. You know, eggplants take a lot of oil. So yeah, you may need to add oil here and there as you cook these eggplants. So we are going to cook them until they are a little bit soft, but when they aren't yet ready, or you can just cook them until they have browned just a little bit. Yeah, we are not going to cook them until they are soft and ready. So once they reach this level, then you take them out, and then you, in a separate pan or in that very pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, and then add your onion. Cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Kindly help me grow by subscribing to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Then we are going to add our tomatoes. I used 3 big ripe tomatoes. This can be blended tomatoes. This can be tomato paste, whichever works for you is just fine. It as well, I think it would be just fine if you peeled off the skin, such that these tomatoes can like nicely blend in all these ingredients, and you know, you do not get that tomato skin. Then added salt, and I use a little bit of spices. These are optional depending on what spice you'd love to taste in this dish. I used turmeric, paprika, and black pepper, half a teaspoon of each of the spices. Yeah, we are going to use water, a little bit of it, and then cook these tomatoes until they are soft and ready for our next step. Kindly do not forget to follow me on my other social media platforms, on Instagram, on Snapchat, and on TikTok. I'm there as Ugandan Kitchen. Once the tomatoes are ready, they are soft and nice. So we are going to now add in our eggplants for the next step. Yeah, this recipe is so easy to make, like you can see. So we are going to cook until the eggplants are soft and nice. And yeah, it is basically like cooking eggplants in tomato sauce. Make sure that you are cooking on medium heat, because you don't want to have your ingredients get burnt. I added up 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. This is for flavor, thickness, and creaminess, but if you do not want the yogurt, then it can be left out. I mean, it is only for to spice up and to make this dish flavorful. Then I used garlic. It is better you use fresh garlic because of that strong smell and flavor. So yeah, but if you have garlic and ginger paste, then that works just fine. I just didn't have ginger, so that is why I did not add it in. Cook this until everything is nice and soft. Use water whenever it is necessary to make sure that you do not get your ingredients burnt. Yeah, and we are going to cook until everything is nice and soft. Please do not forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Whenever you click on the bell, kindly go ahead and click on all notifications, such that you get all my notifications of my new videos. As the eggplants cooks, here we are going to be working on our yogurt sauce. So with this, I used plain yogurt, then added garlic, and then used dry herbs. I used oregano and dry mint. It is what I had. So yeah, we are going to mix all this up, and a little bit of salt, just a pinch. It is just enough, and then mix all this up and put it aside for later until the eggplants are ready. I think it's better if you can get Greek yogurt, that thick yogurt, or if you can strain your yogurt and remove that excess water, then it would be just fine. I mean, with the kind of yogurt we have here in Uganda, the plain yogurt that is on market, there is a way it is not that thick. So if you are done with your yogurt sauce, you can just keep it in the refrigerator until you are ready to serve. So this is how I served. I started with the yogurt sauce and then added eggplants, and just like that. So a little bit of eggplant and then a little bit of the yogurt sauce. And yeah, this dish is so yummy. It is so tasty. If you are an eggplant lover just like me, then this is definitely a recipe for you to try. It is so yummy and it is so simple. It goes well with any food of our, our Ugandan food, the yams, the cassava, the sweet potato, the posho, ugali. So it is so tasty. And yeah, I served it with potato wedges roasted with rosemary and garnish with a little bit of coriander. So tasty and flavorful. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. Let me know what you would love to see on my channel. What recipe would you love to see me prepare next in my videos? Yeah, until next time, kindly check out my other videos. Do not forget to follow me on my other social media platforms, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. Until next time, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.